Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Claw plus D plus hop plus purr. Clawed, hop, purr. Clodhopper. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to Classic Concentration, and welcome back also to these two contestants. The young lady on my right won the game at the end of yesterday's program, picked up over $3,500 in prizes. This is Meredith Christensen, young attorney, married to an attorney. All right, good luck to you today as you face this man once again, Peter Menges from Massachusetts, ready to win.
Oh, yeah.
Got to win today if you want to stay alive on our program. If you do win the game, you could wind up with this as a prize.
Service for 8 of fine handcrafted china in the Hancock pattern. Its elegance is detailed by its raised 24-karat gold design. From the fine china collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
Lovely china, and you can find it on the game board right here. Hiding behind number 25. A holiday in Calgary, Canada in this first game, Peter. And you get to pick first.
All right, I feel Calgary under number 9.
Feel Calgary under number 9, but no, it's a red take.
I'll take Calgary, and the match for the red take and number 16.
Wild card, so the red take is coming your way. The other one on the board at number 18. Here you go, a little insurance for later on. We'll open 3 panels for you. Select again.
All right, let's look on the number 2.
Fine china.
China. All right, I could use that. I don't have any plates. How about number 24?
No, dining set. Meredith?
Let's look under number 25.
Fine china's there, right?
And number 2 for the match. I need some china.
Yeah. Peter just didn't make the connection, I think, right?
Yeah.
You forgot about it. But that's okay. It's very, very early in this game, and we're going to open these 2 panels now for Meredith. I don't think she can solve the puzzle. Select again.
Let's open up the board at number 5.
Slide projector.
And let's look for a match for that slide projector or a wild card under number 14.
No, green take. Peter.
All right, why don't we take a look under number 17, please?
Diamond and topaz pendant.
All right, sure. How about under number 7, the match or a wild card?
No, video cabinet. Meredith.
Okay, let's open up the board under number 6.
Wall mirror.
And look for a match for that wall mirror under number 22.
Wild card, so you're going to get a match out of it after all. The other wall mirror right next door at number 23. Put it up there, and we will show Meredith 3 more pieces of this puzzle. Go again.
Let's continue opening up the board under number 11.
Green take.
And let's look for a match under number 14.
Green take. Oh boy, this game is fielding very, very nicely. Each player, as you can see, has a take, and that makes strategy very, very important as we continue. Open the 2 doors for Meredith. Select again.
Okay, I'm still looking for Calgary. Let's look under number 8.
Portable pub.
And look for a match for that portable pub under number 19.
Portable pub, right. Boy, that's good. Well done. That match enables you to use your take, and it would be nice if Peter had put some prizes up there that you could grab. But we'll save this for later, and we will open these 2 doors. Go again.
Okay, let's open up the board under number 13.
Slide projector.
And number 10.
Custom drapes. No match. Peter.
All right, how about number 12?
Calgary, Canada.
Oof. And how about the match for Calgary under number 4?
Diamond and topaz pendant. Obviously, no match. Meredith.
Let's look for that diamond topaz pendant under number 17.
Yes.
And number 4 for the match. For that
There is
diamond
a match,
topaz.
right. Another piece for Meredith's column and another look at the puzzle. again.
Okay, let's open the board under number 24.
Dining set.
And let's look for a match or a wild card under number 3.
Calgary, Canada. No match. Peter gets a shot at it.
All right, how about number 13?
Oh, slide projector.
Is the match flat on number 7?
No, video cabinet. Meredith?
Let's look under number 12
Calgary.
and number 3 for the match.
That's the match. Now the strategy becomes most important because, as I mentioned a few moments ago, each contestant has a take. Open these 2 panels for Meredith.
Is it second base?
Second base is what Meredith says, and Meredith is right. And all of the prizes that were uncovered were in her column. She wins the match. Let's go to the board, Meredith. Nicely done. Now, you explain it.
Okay, I saw the set and I saw the holster, and so I thought this was a gun. So the set plus the gun is second, and the D. So the set plus the gun plus the D is second. And then I saw the B, and I saw the ace, and so I put the B plus the ace as base. Second base.
Second base. Even if you're not a baseball fan, that worked out well for you. And Peter, it didn't work out well for you, so you're out of here, unfortunately. But nice having you with us. Take care. So
Thanks
long,
a lot.
Peter. All right, Meredith, more prizes for you. Let's hear about them. Gene, tell her.
A wall mirror, a portable pub, and a diamond topaz pendant. Part of South Dakota Gold Company Gem Star jewelry line, this octagon-cut, 9-carat blue topaz is accented with 3 diamonds, making a bold fashion statement, furnished by South Dakota Gold Company and Calgary, Canada. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Calgary, and you'll spend 6 nights at Calgary's Port-a-Call Inn. Superlative guest amenities for personal or business travel, suite accommodations, health club with indoor pool, fine dining and live entertainment, furnished by the Port-a-Call Inn, and, of course, the elegant fine china. And you did very well, Meredith. You have a prize package worth $4,203.
Another $4,000 for you, Meredith, and another chance to win a car right after this. $1,718 in prizes for this young lady after 2 wins, and now she wants to win a brand new car. Let's see if she can do it. 15 numbered squares for Meredith Christensen, and the clock at 45 seconds. Good luck to you. Off you go.
1-3.
No.
4-6.
Nope.
7-9.
Nope.
7-3.
Yes.
4-9.
Yes.
10-12.
No.
13-15.
No.
2-12.
No.
6-12. 5-15.
Yes.
8-10.
No.
11-14.
No.
1-14.
Yep.
13-8.
Yes.
10-2.
Yes. With 3 seconds to spare. Congratulations, Meredith. Gene, tell her about this. Big win. Fast, too.
Meredith, you've just won this Toyota Tercel 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and parents package. Furnished by Toyota, a prize worth over $8,500.
Well, you've done better than double your total to $16,246, Meredith. Congratulations. This was a fun trip to California, wasn't it?
Thank you very much.
All righty. We'll be introducing some new players right after this break. Well, one contestant, Peter Menges, lost 2 games and had to say goodbye. The other, Meredith Christensen, won big. She won a brand new car, over $16,000 in prizes, and so she had to say goodbye. And now we are delighted to welcome these newcomers. On my right, this young lady's name is Whitney Spackman. Hello, Whitney.
Hi, Alex.
Red hair. We had a contestant earlier this week with red hair.
Yep.
Tell me where you're from.
I'm from Los Angeles, near the airport.
Near the airport. You're being very specific for
Yes.
us. What do you do?
I'm a housewife, and I'm pregnant, and I'm due in 10 weeks.
Due in about 10 weeks?
Yeah.
This will be your first one?
Yes.
Well, good luck. It's a special moment. I was
Thanks.
there for
I'm
the
excited.
arrival of mine. Do you know if it's a boy or a girl?
No, we have no idea yet.
No? All right. Well, let's meet your opponent in this game. His name is Bill Force?
Oh, Alex. Bill Fours.
Fours. May the
Fours, yes.
fours be with you. Where are you from?
Well, I just came out from the Midwest to California to fulfill a lifetime dream. To
Where
become a
in the
contestant.
Midwest?
In Indiana.
Indiana. You know that our last champion, Meredith, who just left, is from Nebraska. You're from Indiana. Big basketball fan?
Well,
Sort of.
football.
Football fan. I see. Okay, you ready to
Notre
play?
Dame.
Oh, a Notre Dame fan?
Notre Dame.
Okay, you and my boss would get along like a house on fire. Check it out over here. If you are into beautiful jewelry, look at this.
Part of Adler & Company's diamond jewelry collection, an elegant diamond bracelet crafted in 14-karat gold. This bracelet features 36 points of sparkling diamonds, captivating any woman's dreams. Furnished by Adler & Company. Alex.
Now look at this, Gene. She says, Whitney says, you think that would look nice on my arm? It would look nice on anyone's arm, on anyone's wrist. She's got a bracelet here now, a ring and a watch. Let's show Whitney and Bill where they can find that tennis bracelet. The diamond bracelet is at number 13. Easy to remember, dead center in the board. Only one wild card in this game. And Bill, you get to pick first, so go for it.
We already know what's on 13. Let's try number 6. And number
Green tape.
20.
Dishwasher.
Gotcha.
All right. We have, of course, since this is the second game of the day, the first game for you two, but just the second game of the day, we have the bonus car seconds in this one. We have $700 in the cash pot and a Lake Tahoe vacation. So, Whitney, you pick.
Let's try to find that cash pot at number 5.
Dishwasher.
Oh, and was that number 15?
Was it? No, that's a Belgian waffler. Bill.
Number 20.
Dishwasher.
And number 5.
5 and 20. Bill knows what it's all about. He knows how to capitalize when his opponent makes an error. Open these two doors for him.
She wouldn't kiss me on the river, so I paddled her back.
You see, folks, one of the provisions of my contract is that
You tell
no
the joke.
matter how silly, no matter how strange a solution offered by a contestant, I must repeat that solution and embarrass myself in front of Gene, who is very, very critical, and the rest of America, probably just as critical. Okay, she wouldn't
kiss me on the river.
Wouldn't kiss me on the river, so I paddled her back. Wrong, Bill. Select again.
Number 21.
Kind of cute, though. Word processor.
And number 4.
Woman's apparel, with shoes included, matching shoes. Whitney?
Okay, let's open up the board at number 18.
Red take.
Red take. Let's see what's behind number 1.
Red take. That's what's behind number 1. There you are, my dear. Isn't that nice?
Right. Yeah, that's great.
Well, wait a minute. He has the dishwasher. You might be interested in grabbing
I think
it.
I'll hold on to it.
I didn't think I want to use it right now. It's so early in this game.
I was so close.
Okay, let's open
Wait.
up. Oh,
Don't you want to open these two doors and
Oh,
take a
I
look
do,
at the
I
puzzle?
do.
Well, let us do that then before you select again. Select again.
okay. Let's open up the board at number 19.
Women's apparel and shoes?
Was that under number 14?
Oh, no. Car Wash Weekly for a year. Bill?
We're doing it again.
Yes, you are doing
Number 4.
it. Number 4.
And number 19.
19 is a match. That's it. Shoes and women's apparel.
Goes with the dishwasher.
Goes with the dishwasher, and we will open these two panels for you. Select.
Number 11.
11, he says, and he gets a diamond bracelet out of that.
Huh? And number 13.
13 is right. Match again. 3 natural matches. Whitney says she's still got the red tape, but...
Gotta find the green one.
Yeah, that's what Bill has to do. Let's open these two panels for him. You also have to solve the puzzle if you want to keep the prizes. Select.
Number 3.
Belgian waffler.
Number 17.
No golf clubs.
clubs.
Whitney.
Okay, let's open it up at number 15.
Belgian waffler.
Okay, and the match for that under number 3.
Number 3 makes it a match, and you can use your take now. He's got some diamond bracelet, women's apparel with shoes.
I think I'll take the diamond bracelet.
All right. It looked good, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
And this young lady likes jewelry, I can tell. Open these two panels for her. Again.
Okay. Let's see what's under number 21.
Word processor. We've seen that there a number of
yeah.
times.
Okay, let's try to find that under number 24.
Car wash weekly for a year. Bill, you're going to do it again, aren't you? Maybe not.
I should have. Number 25.
Green take.
And number 2.
No, golf clubs. Whitney.
Okay, let's see. Let's open it up at number 7.
Word processor.
And the match for that under number 21.
21 is right. That's a match. Gives you a shot at another prize and gives you another look at the puzzle. Let's open them. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 23.
Cash pot.
Oh. And let's see if we can find a match for that under number 16.
Lake Tahoe escape. No match. Bill.
Number 9.
Cash pot.
Oh, shit. 17.
Golf clubs.
Golf clubs.
He's losing it, and are you going to get it?
Was that cash pot under number 23?
Yes?
Yeah, and the match for that under number 9.
9 and 23 was the right combination. That's what works. All right, Whitney, can you solve it now? Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Bonus car seconds.
Oh, I could use that. Why don't we try number 24?
Car wash weekly for a year. No match. Bill, oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We're going to start by revealing number 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 22, 24, 25. If you're a hero, you might be looking for one of these. Let me help you out. We have A, the hay, or A, and then we have Hoover and Grand Coulee, and those are dams, as you both know. And Bill is in first.
A damsel in distress.
A damsel in distress, says Bill Fours. And he is right for a couple of prizes and a shot at a car. Come on, Bill.
Okay, what we have up here first is the hay, and then the dams, Hoover and Grand Coulee, and the hill, dam plus hill, damsel, hen, D plus his, dis, plus dress. A damsel in distress.
Damsel in distress. Well done. Came from behind to snatch victory there. Whitney, you lost just once, and that's 1 X against us, so you'll get to play again. Next time out. Bill, let's hear about your prizes. Gene.
A woman's apparel and shoes, Cherokee. A choice of apparel and shoes for an unusual combination of fashion and comfort in junior, missy, petite, and women's sizes. Furnished by Cherokee. And a dishwasher. Gibson's portable dishwasher featuring 3 levels of washing action, radiant heat drying, and a self-cleaning soil separator. Furnished by Gibson.
And an opportunity, of course, to play for a brand new car right after this. Cars. So here are the 15 numbered squares and base time on the clock. Bill, 35 seconds. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Go to work.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
13, 6,
No.
15, 5,
No.
2, 11,
No.
5, 12,
Yep.
10, 14,
No.
11, 4,
No.
1.
You bet it's difficult, particularly the first time, but that's okay. You've won some prizes and you're going to be back to play again on our show, and we're going to be back after this break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Sanyo's Fit Anywhere cube refrigerator with 1.7 cubic feet of cold storage capacity and ice compartment. Is most popular in small offices, vans, boats, and wherever space is limited, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Jen, see you next week.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.